And now I'm going to build a elevator in Survival Craft 2, and I'm going to a new world, creative, and the pro gamer 0322, and okay, option day, support, and enable. Okay. So option, so flat, and just play. And wait. And I'm changing my clothes because it is a dirty clothes t-shirt, and you just remove that, and you want to remove that, just remove it. And you just, that's hot, and no, you just t-shirt, and just I don't, that's shoes. Oh no, that's shoes, sandals. Oh, I trash it because so dirty, and you trash the clothes, and let's build. It's a brick wall, frame glass, and you want frame glass, and the electrics, and lever, and logic SAR gate, and the pulley piston. Now first you need 8 blocks. Why? And now let's build I want place no animals. There is it. And now it's a 2-layer that it's, and remove two dig blocks, and that, and you fly, and you remove that because the pulling piston is so connected. That, and the lever is here. is here. You want the side from this way or the wire throat bricks. I want and you just down it and you want it and the piston is so high and you make a piston is higher. And the 2-layer. Make sure you blocks in higher and high. And you place lever here to down it. And you connect it to the lever. No, wait. To the lever. And it's a logic XOR gate, left side, and now you down, you check it, and oh no, you check it. You remove that. That's a wire. You test it because are you done? Oh no. Move that. Oh, the bricky. Oh no. You remove that and you remove to connect it to and you must connect it to the logic XOR gate. That's connect to the logic XOR gate, and you down it, and that's an elevator. You want to down it, you want up it, you down it, and you make a designs for elevator. Make your designs. And now thanks for watching my elevator, and make sure that's connect the 3 wires It's a lever, down lever, it's a up lever, and the piston. You connect the leg, it connects logic XOR gate, XOR gate. Sorry, the wrong spelling. And now, thanks for watching, and subscribe the video, and bye, goodbye.